Hi all, welcome to Green Fans. We're back. We gotta make this a little bit more consistent, guys. Eh, no? Alam mo, medyo hindi masyado consistent yung episode natin this season.
Okay lang yan.
Maraming sa nangyayari sa mundo. So, I guess you
Shit happens,
Yeah.
Shit happens.
LNP.
LNP.
Yeah. Alright. So,
Naka-half-mask na nga ako eh. Kalahati lang. Hindi batong pa.
Maya konti, full mask na, malamig dito. Malamig dito.
Oh, do you like our studio?
Yes.
yeah.
Parang ANC ang peg.
Oo.
Alright. So, today I'm with Vic and Rocha, and we'll talk about the last two games, FEU and Ateneo. So, fortunately, we lost to the Blue Eagles, and
Unfortunately talaga.
yeah, I mean,
What we thought would have been a very happy day.
Yes.
yeah, suffice to say, I think most of the Green Fans team were drunk that evening. Hindi na kami nagising the next day.
Tulog kami.
Especially Procha.
So, parang the next day, we were awake na parang, uy, shoot na ba tayo?
May game pala kahapon. Ganun. Nakalimutan namin.
Yeah, so let's talk about the Ateneo game, and then the FEU game where we were down most of the way, and then we pulled away towards the end. So, parang, sabi niya ni Kiko's not here today, pero sabi niya, yung shot ni Melesio, yung umikot pa sa ring, tapos pumasok, yung mga tigisa tumayo eh. Parang, pumasok, nag-cheer din sila. So.
Akala lang nila. Relax lang kasi.
No, they wanted the shot to go in, di ba?
Really?
Yeah, kasi if FEU lost to Lasal,
Dito.
Pakibuksan naman yung beer.
sige.
Hindi, nakabukas na yung beer eh.
Bukas na yata.
Ay, isa.
Okay. Alright, so after all said and done, Lasal is number 1 with a 13-1 record. Ateneo is number 2, and then FEU number 3.
Yeah.
And then Adamson. Yeah. So, what do you think happened against Ateneo and FEU? Like, this is very obvious that this is not the Lasal team that we've seen during the first 12 games. It's a bit different already. And some of the fans are a bit curious, and you have a lot of analysis as to why it may or may not happen. But Vic, what do you think is going on?
Siguro lang sinasabi nila na it's not the same Green Archers team. Kasi siguro wala masyado full court.
Correct, yeah.
We played mostly half court defense, wala masyadong
Tatlohan?
not the usual mayhem defense na yung five guys inside the court are almost pukasan yung bola nandun. I mean, scrambling defense na talagang yung kalaban natin will always get confused, which causes turnovers, gives us easy points. Last two games, wala eh. We tried to beat our opponents by playing half-court defense, half-court offense.
Right, yeah.
Kaya hindi ko ngayon alam if Coach Aldin was experimenting on something or talagang siguro is trying to prove na we can also win if we play a good half-court defense. Hindi lang kami
Puro mayhem lang.
hindi lang kami puro mayhem lang na puro full court lang. Yun nga. So, siguro probably yun nga. Kasi tingin ko safe na rin at safe na rin sa twice to beat advantage. Tingin ko yun nga lang, may pros and cons.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah, so yung pros niyan, parang feeling ko may switch na siguro alam na rin nila talaga yung full court nila. So pagdating sa Adamson, tsaka na lang siguro bubuhos nila ulit or maybe full court na wala. Kasi ngayon, kumbaga, after beating a strong FEU team na we were trailing for most of the game and then we took the game away from FEU in the last 2 minutes ulit by playing a very, very tough half-court defense. Parang ngayon, sa utak ng kalaban, I mean, the LSU can win by playing full court and they can also win by playing not so much of the full court, maybe half-court lang.
Right, yeah. I have to agree with you there, Vic. Because like, if you noticed against FEU and against Ateneo, we weren't pushing the ball eh. Like, clear na ngayong half-court, dati natakbo tayo eh. Para, just, to get that sense that, let's rush this, we'll make it as fast as possible. This time, no eh. We were trying to play a bit of half-court sets. Sometimes it was working, sometimes it wasn't. And like, I think what Coach Ayo said after the post-game against FEU, they were executing the plays properly. Some shots were falling down.
Yeah, oo naman.
Some shots were falling down.
Niluluwa eh.
Pero yung iba, ang ganda ng looks eh. Like, parang you know that, that play was executed for Prince. That play was executed
Yeah.
for Aljun. And if this is something that we're trying to work on, then I'm okay.
Oo naman, definitely.
Yeah, absolutely. And then, alright.
Sa atin eh, again, once again, si Coach owed up to his mistake.
Oo naman.
Shortcoming eh.
Correct, yeah.
The same way that he did nung sa
Hindi, siguro kasi
yung incident.
ang ano doon was that parang tingin ko siguro ploy din niya talaga yun na kasi ano naman yan eh, every game plan really starts from the head coach. Ito yung kalaban natin, ito yung kumbaga this is what I want to see, this is how we want to play, this is what I want to see inside the court, buong game, or kung meron mga adjustments, ito yung gusto ko makita. So, I mean, kumbaga, at the end of the day, yun yung maybe hindi tayo sharp against Ateneo. So, hindi niya nakita siguro yung things that he wanted to see. Pero
First time nila nag-face off
still-
nila.
Yeah. Hindi, sa UAAP, pero sa Phil Oil, nagkaharap na rin naman na sila.
Right. Actually, let me ask you guys a question and let me know your thoughts about this. Nung Ateneo game, we only tightened up the screws in the last 2 minutes. We were down a lot, pero doon na tayo nag-press bigla. And that's when we cut the lead down.
Kaya naman ano oras.
Pero yun nga, wala
Hindi,
na. Oo.
actually, no mga, I think, second and third quarter, we tried for a little bit. Ang naging problema lang was, the team was really two steps slower than what they're used to be. Na what Ateneo did, kung papansinin niyo yung press break nila, they didn't dribble too much. They just used the dribble to escape yung tawag dito, yung pag double team. They'll just use the dribble to escape them. I mean, pasa.
But you have to beat the mayhem.
I mean, ano lang, di lang naman mayhem, but every man, full court na man-to-man pressure defense, that's how you beat it eh. Less dribbling, more of passing. Problema lang natin talaga that game, ang bagal natin mag-react. So, yeah, I mean, even if we tried, ang bagal natin, so we cannot also execute that
Correct,
properly
yeah.
during that.
Alright, so here's a $1 million question that's running through the minds of a lot of people. Do you think that in many ways it's a blessing in disguise where we're not going to have a 3-4 week long break entering the finals? We'd rather get that momentum because 2 weeks of break for the Archers and we played Ateneo very, very. It wasn't a good game. Like we were. It was not a good game. Yeah.
Kaya third quarter ko, lasing na ako. Pagdating ng bisita ko.
No, pero if you look back at like whenever the Archers would start, parang in the Phil Oil tournament, we did not start well against Adamson on our very first game. Then our very first game, our opening game against FEU, it wasn't a good game either.
Yeah.
Zero had to pull us out of the rapid hole. And then now after another long break, we did not play well against Ateneo. But this is the first time that we actually lost.
Yeah.
No, for quite some time.
Right. So, do you guys think it's a blessing in disguise that there's actually a Final Four that will have the momentum going into the finals?
Ako.
Bakla tomboy.
Sino mauna sa atin?
Natidistract ako eh. Bulak sa ilong ko.
Sige, ako na muna. Ako, blessing in disguise.
Oo.
Although, yun na, syempre, maganda pa din na sweet, pero,
Yeah.
Yung parang yung kalawang eh.
oo,
Mas matulog ka sa PBA.
mahirap kalaban ng kalawang.
Oo.
More than anything else, mahirap kalaban ng kalawang. So, okay na din na may Final Four. Buti na nga lang, wala pang playoff between Adamson and Ateneo for that number 2 spot.
Kasi
Buti na lang,
magastos nga lang rin.
buti na lang nag-start na agad yung Final Four on Wednesday. So,
Correct. Yeah. Absolutely.
At least
nakalib na sa Wednesday.
anong leave? Mabait ako eh.
Alright, guys. So that's it for the episode. Talked about the Ateneo FU game. We'll be covering the Final Four scenarios and a little bit more about the Final Four in our next
Yes.
episode. So stay tuned.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, Green fans, and
Anibolasal!
Asa may camera? This is Green Fans, the only show for Lasallians by Lasallians. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also follow us on our iTunes page. Once again, this is Green Fans. Animal aside!